what's up guys? Today I will tell you exciting news. So from now on, once you buy a Koowheel skateboard, you will get this cool stuff for free. Let me show you. It's LED strip light. It's here you could see is the battery and LED strip. Here is the button and switch, and here you could see the charging port is rechargeable. It have 11 modes. Let me show you. It's really beautiful. Come here, baby. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's flashing quickly. 9, 10, 11. Okay, turn off. You say it's finished. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, turn off, turn on. Click. I like this mode most. It's so beautiful. Okay, turn off. Okay, let's try outside.